Flood Brothers Disposal Service. Arthur is working for Flood Brothers Disposal Service in Chicago. He's picking up trash cans in the area of Chicago on the south side, west side, the east side, and north side. He drives around in his Flood Brothers truck in Chicago. He takes it to the Flood Brothers recycling facility where it is sorted into piles where workers up on the conveyor belt are sorting the cardboard, the metal, and plastics into certain bins, aluminum cans. Flood Brothers Disposal Service is a family-owned company and operated in Chicago.
For the personalized attention of a family-owned business and are devoted to serving these communities through personalized service, charity work, and volunteerism. Flood Brothers has the capacity and latest technology to handle any trash service need, larger.
They're picking up dumpsters in the city of Chicago. Flood Brothers. Arthur is working for Flood Brothers Disposal Service. He brings roll-off dumpsters to people in the communities that need them. Flood Brothers Disposal Services is a family-owned company in Chicago. Flood Brothers goes to the landfill to take it to the Chicago landfill. Flood Brothers Disposal Service opened up a long time ago. It has been operating for 15 years. Flood Brothers Disposal Service. Arthur is working at Flood Brothers Disposal Service in downtown Chicago, driving in his Flood Brothers Disposal Service truck. He sees his friend Gerald in a garbage truck driving around in Chicago. He's gonna pick up more dumpsters. Flood Brothers Disposal Service is driving in Chicago. Flood Brothers Disposal Service is a family-owned company in Chicago. They sort the garbage on a conveyor belt. Flood Brothers Disposal Service trucks go into the recycling center station and dump their loads and then go back out in Chicago, the west side, north side, east side, to pick up dumpsters. Flood Brothers Disposal Service. Flood Brothers Disposal Service. Flood Brothers Disposal Service has been around for a long time. He's picking up dumpsters in the city of Chicago and trash cans in the alleyway. On every Tuesday, he meets his friend Harold by the alleyway where he puts his trash can down in front of his house. He says, "Hello, what's up?" Flood Brothers Disposal Service takes his recycling, and then Harold heads off to work at the sewer company. Flood Brothers Disposal Service. At Flood Brothers Disposal Service.